Aloha folks, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today I'm going to teach you the lesson from yesterday's Lick of the Day. So it's April 17th, the Lick of the Day, and it went something like this. Okay, so let's look at what that is. We're sliding in from the first to the second on the third string, 5th fret, and then we're going to go down here, and that's the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then we come up to the 6th fret of the same string. Okay, so and so we slide again, and then we go to the 5th and 6th, and the 3rd time we slide in. So we slide in 5. Now we're back on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So it's like, and then we go back and slide and hit that 6th fret. So first slide into the 2nd, and then hit the 6th fret of the 2nd string. All together. Okay, that's the first half of the lick. Okay, so the second half of the lick is sliding in from the 4th to the 5th on the 3rd string and catching the 1st string on the 5th fret. And then we do this, and that's 4, 3, 2. And then I'm kind of working my fingers down, so I'm just really catching those 2 strings there. Okay, so that's on the 3rd fret of the 1st and 3rd string. And then I put my middle finger on the top string, 2nd fret. And then I hit 4, 1, and then the B flat. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so you're gonna work on trying to get the timing of that, and then okay, and that's the lick of the day for the 17th of April 2018. Alright, so as usual, if you like it, go ahead, hit that like button below. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I could always use more subscribers. Also, if you like the way I teach and you like these lessons, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. In fact, right now we have a free 2-week trial membership going on. And if you sign up, you can get 2 weeks free. So check it out, and hopefully I'll see you guys around. Aloha.